How to get healthy gums. Gum disease is caused by the buildup of plaque along the gum line, which releases toxins that irritate the gums and cause them to become inflamed. Prevent gum disease by keeping your gums healthy. You will need an electric toothbrush, dental floss, low sugar consumption, a dentist, and a mouth rinse. Step 1. Brush your teeth following each meal. Use a quality electric toothbrush to effectively massage your gums. If bleeding occurs while brushing, adopt a more vigorous brushing and flossing regimen and have your teeth professionally cleaned. Step 2. Reduce your consumption of sugar, which promotes the growth of plaque. Step 3. Maintain regular visits to the dentist. Go at least twice a year. Step 4. Use a mouth rinse containing the antimicrobial agent chlorhexidine to remove excess bacteria. Now you're on your way to getting your smile back. Did you know? A study published in the Journal of Periodontology in 2009 reported that the routine intake of green tea may help promote healthy teeth and gum.
Perfect smile. If you're more of a gloomy Gus than a ray of sunshine in your pictures, these tips will let your personality shine through with an award-winning smile. You will need an electric toothbrush, a dentist appointment, whitening strips, and veneers. Step 1. Purchase an electric toothbrush to remove stains and plaque more efficiently and to keep those teeth sparkling white. Don't forget to give your tongue a thorough scrubbing to remove the bacteria that cause bad breath. Step 2. Scale back on the coffee and tea consumption to prevent the gradual staining they cause and quit smoking. It can save a lot more than your smile. Step 3. Visit the dentist for a professional cleaning and to inquire about whitening treatments such as gels, pastes, and the popular UV light treatment. A professional cleaning will dramatically improve the effectiveness of whitening strips and treatments. Step 4. Use store-bought whitening strips that are less expensive than professional-grade products, but that can be just as effective. Overuse of whitening products can damage teeth and your gum line and make your teeth sensitive. Always follow the package directions. Step 5. Ask an orthodontist about tooth alignments or dental adjustments, many of which no longer require intrusive and ugly braces. Step 6. Opt for veneers that cover your teeth and never stain or wear out. Smile with the confidence you've always wanted. Did you know? The great white shark can have as many as 3,000 serrated teeth in several rows at any one time.
How to get rid of bad breath with home remedies. If your morning breath lasts all day, it might be time to take action. You will need citrus fruit, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 sprigs of parsley, 2 to 3 cloves, and black or green tea. Optional, water or fruit juice. Step 1. Eat citrus fruit and other foods high in vitamin C to prevent bad breath. Eat 1 piece of fruit after each meal. Step 2. Mix baking soda in 1 liter of water. Gargle this mixture once or twice a day. Step 3. Boil 2 cups of water and add parsley and cloves. Stir and let steep for 5 minutes. Use this as a mouthwash twice a day. Chew on fresh parsley for a quick freshen up. Drink water or fruit juice throughout the day. Keeping the mouth moist prevents bad breath. Step 4. Avoid bad breath-causing foods such as ginger, garlic, onions, fish, cheese, and alcohol, especially whiskey. Brush your teeth twice daily, floss, and use a tongue scraper. Step 5. Drink green and black teas, which are filled with breath-freshening polyphenols. Did you know? Onions and garlic cause bad breath because of their high sulfur content.
How to keep your teeth healthy and white. If you want your pearly whites to shine like diamonds and be as strong as titanium, then follow these easy oral hygiene tips. You will need toothbrush and toothpaste, floss, fluoride rinse, good eating habits, water, and a dentist. Optional, baking soda and straws. Step 1. Keep your teeth clean by brushing and flossing at least twice a day. Add baking soda to your toothpaste. Baking soda is a natural, gentle abrasive that can help remove plaque from teeth, keeping them clean and white. Step 2. Avoid sugars and starches that can cause tooth decay. Eat your vegetables. Some vegetables and fruits, such as apples and carrots, can help clean your teeth. Don't forget to eat dairy products. Products like yogurt, milk, and cheese can help neutralize acids and minimize cavities. If you're a fan of fizzy, sugary, or caffeinated beverages, use a straw to reduce staining and sensitivity. Step 3. Drink lots of water. Drinking water after meals or other beverages can keep stains at bay and keep your breath fresh. Tap water is best because it contains helpful minerals like fluoride. Step 4. Make regular visits to your dentist. This will ensure that your teeth are kept clean, white, and strong. Dentists can also catch problems early and recommend treatment options. A beautiful smile is your reward. Did you know? The peroxides used in tooth bleach, hydrogen peroxide and carbamide peroxide, produce free radicals that can damage cells of the gums or pulp inside teeth.
How to whiten teeth with a strawberry. Strawberries contain malic acid, which is great for removing stains on your teeth. You will need 1 ripe strawberry, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a soft toothbrush, dental floss, and mouthwash. Optional, hydrogen peroxide. Step 1. Mash the strawberry with a fork and mix it with the baking soda. The baking soda buffs away stains from coffee, tea, and blueberries that penetrate your enamel over time. Step 2. Using a soft toothbrush, apply the mixture to the teeth you want to whiten. Step 3. Let the mixture set for 5 minutes. Step 4. Brush your teeth with toothpaste as usual. Floss to get out any seeds from the strawberry. Rinsing with a little hydrogen peroxide mixed with the water after brushing kills bacteria and whitens teeth. Step 5. Rinse your mouth with mouthwash to wash away residual acid. Your teeth will be gleaming and stain-free. Did you know? In the Middle Ages, barbers also practiced dentistry.